name is Dhriti, and I really enjoy doing art. I really enjoy singing and dancing, and I really want to be an artist when I grow up. And today I'm going to be showing you the drawings I've done in class. So the first one, we learned about forest habitat, and the first drawing I did is called Coyote in the Forest, and I used graphite pencils to do it, and I also tried to show depth, and I explored with the blending stick and all the tools. Then we did the ocean habitat. It's called Two Ocean Pals in One Plant. It has an orca, an octopus, and a bull kelp. And I used colored pencils, Sharpies, and crayons. Then we also did some class inventions. Like we would each come up with at least one idea, and then we would apply that in our drawing, and then we'd make an animal. This is one. This is the second one. Then in the wetlands habitat, we learned about heron and other creatures, and it's called the heron and the fish war, because the heron wants to eat the fish, but the fish wants to get out. And I used colored pencils, and I explored with the color shades of the heron. And then I also did, and this was also in the wetlands, and this one is a salmon in the stream, and it's called the mother salmon with the young. And the mother salmon is the big salmon, and those are her eggs, the red marble-looking things. And I also drew some salmon in the background, and I used colored pencils and pastels. So I actually used colored pencils for the salmon and the eggs, and I used pastels for the background and some touch of pastel in the eggs. And finally, we also did a collage, and my collage actually shows that the fox woke up before the sunrise, and it wants to see the sunrise. And I actually just ripped the paper up to show that it's abstract, and only some things I actually cut out. Like for example, I cut out the fox, I cut out the sun, and some trees right over here. And also did some touch-up in there. Like I added some grass to it and some trees in the mountains. And it's my favorite. And that's it in my video. Thanks for watching. Bye!